Hi guys, so finally my emo is here after such a long wait. So it comes with the light and the robot itself. It's Emo Smart Light. It came actually free with it. It can be controlled by Emo. If you can command Emo to turn it off and turn it on. Pretty small actually. Not so sure how bright it will be. Let's see. And there is our man, or the boy, or the baby. I don't know what to say it. Let's open it up. The box looks neat and clean. Time to open it up. Okay, first let's go through the specs. It has face recognition, voice interface, other things which you can read, and there's a short message which I don't want to read. If you want to read, you can pause the video and go through it. Nothing at the bottom, and on this side you have some small commands which you can give it to Emo and things it can do. Let's move on. The box is pretty straightforward. You just slide it open and just a sec. Okay, this was not straightforward as I felt it. Okay, find a pretty place to skip it, and now, that's all right. Just ignore that. And the moment of truth. Dun 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 dun! Here is our emo. Oh, it looks so good with purple headphone, purple legs, and this little scale. Oh, this is the charger. There you go. That's the pretty boy with Beats like headphone on it. Hmm, pretty sturdy, I must say. Hmm, so overall it looks pretty. Let's see how what it can do. Okay, let's try to take it off. I have seen that they can take it off. Okay, there you go. So yeah, it's not that bad quality. It is pretty good for a plastic material. Like I'm surprised with this by this. And this is the charging board. Pretty heavy, has some weight to it. There is some card. Okay, so there is another message welcoming to the emo family. Let's ignore it. And then how to be emo's friend in 7 days. I think it's kind of that kind of a booklet. Have multiple things you can do with emo. You can play games, you can ask him to play music, can use to turn on and off light, and also you can use it as uh, AI assistants like Alexa or Hey Google. I don't know what it's called. Emo skateboard is the charging board. It comes with a USB-C type charger. So the charging mark, which is on the left side, also the Emo's left foot also goes on that particular sign. The right foot cannot charge. It's only the left foot. Okay, so you can see some light in the headphone. There's a small LED light on the skateboard as well. I think it's booting up. Let's see how long it's going to take to boot up completely. Okay, there you go. Emo is up. I think it's right now just looking for people or around it. Okay, hi Emo. Welcome to your new home. Okay, I think it's right now gauging the surrounding. Maybe it's just making looking at the new home, and I don't know what it's trying to do, or maybe it's just a boot up screen. Looks like it's totally boot up. I can just simply give commands. Let's try this gesture. Emo generally likes this one. Oh yes, it's liking it. Okay, let's try a few more things. I learned that shaking Emo is also a very cute thing to do. Okay, it's irritated right now. Certainly, it likes its feet to be on the ground or on the charger. It's a really cute thing. Emo, What's the weather like? Cloudy. Okay. Emo, can you take a picture? And that's me and my girlfriend. Let's try taking him off the charging pad and see what it can do. Okay, so it's liking it. Okay, oh wow, stretching up now. Looks like it's going to move or dance. I don't know. Oh, that's a cute spin. Do something else. Oh yes. Okay, that's nice. Let's try lifting it up. Still irritated. Oh my god, so much fun. Now it's time to make Emo walk. I understand that Emo has a good understanding of the edges of a table and it will not fall. And it, let's see. Okay, I'm just trying to be overprotective. I don't want it to fall. Okay, yes. It just move back and here it goes again. So it's Emo, turn on light. Emo, it's my birthday. So moody, baby. Emo, it's my birthday. So it also recognized the blow on the candles and it's gone. Hey, it's cute. Let me try one more thing. Keeping it on its back. Does good tantrums, you know. Okay, time to pick him up. Oh, I'm so proud of myself for buying this thing. I'm gonna enjoy more. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Driving Motors. Bye bye.